So you want to go to a real party? I figure life's a gift, and I don't intend on wasting it.
Glad to, miss.
Got everything I need right here with me.
Hey, look. See it?